Hi, my name is Rose Wiseman, and today we're going to be talking about orcas, their social structure, and their communication methods as families. From the earliest days of orca research, scientists have known that killer whales live in matriarchal societies, where individual whales generally stay with their mothers for life. Family groups, led by older females, may consist of several generations. These groups are called matrilines, with members tied together by blood and tradition. Orcas are highly social. They interact with each other actively. For the past few years, the University of Exeter has been working with the Center for Whale Research. They have tapped into their expertise in identifying individuals and their relationships in the southern resident killer whale community in order to better understand their social networks. Their latest study, published in 2021, relies on drone footage. The aerial views allow for underwater observations as well as surface observations. This brought the opportunity to analyze which interactions are social in nature as opposed to individuals associating with their fellow pod members, such as a family unit. Darren Croft is the professor of animal behavior at the University of Exeter, and he said that by adding drones to their research, they have been able to dive deeper into the social lives of these animals like never before, and that they were amazed to see how much contact there is between whales and how tactile they are. In many species, including humans, physical contact tends to be a soothing, stress-relieving activity that reinforces social connection. Michael Weiss at the University of Exeter, the study's lead author, said that the findings show that even within these tight-knit groups, whales prefer to interact with specific individuals. Social interactions among the J-pod has led to comparisons with other social animals, including humans and other primates. The J-pod, the subject of the Puget Sound Institute study, consists of multiple matrilines that often travel together and share a common vocal dialect. The goal of the study was to measure the social connections between members of different family groups as well as those within the same group. For example, the whales were seen to become less social with age, a trait observed in observations of great apes. Researchers eventually may find that touch among whales has evolved into psychological benefits, as it has with humans, although such benefits are not always easy to measure. Orcas have an interesting individual behavior and social structure. They are incredibly smart, have a great ability to work together, and an amazing instinct to protect the members of their community. With the changing ocean pH and temperature, I plan to study how changing environments affect orca behavior and matrilines over time. Thank you for your time.